Hello, beautiful souls. Have you experienced premature graying? Are you seeking a solution of premature gray hair? So, now I am going to share a holistic approach that can work miraculously and help you to restore or regain your natural hair color. Getting gray hair is a natural part of aging. Melamine in the hair follicle that give hair color. The color of hair changes from gray, silver, to white. These days, we ourselves have accelerated the natural aging process. So let's see what are these gray hair pack. Last one is my favorite. Let's get started. First one, Amla and Henna pack. Mix Amla and Henna powder with enough yogurt to form a paste. Amla has antimicrobial properties. It's act as a natural conditioner. It helps balance the pH levels of scalp. Henna help to combat oxidative stress. It have cooling effect on the scalp. Henna used as a natural hair dye. Yogurt contains prebiotic, protein, B vitamins, which help to preventing premature graying. Apply the mixture to your hair and leave it on for 1-2 hours. Rinse thoroughly with water. Do you have specific questions about premature gray hair? Comment below. Come to second one. Curry leaf and coconut oil pack. Heat coconut oil and add a handful of curry leaves. Curry leaves contains antioxidant that may help prevent premature graying. Regular use of coconut oil can help reduce hair breakage. Healthy, well-maintained hair is less likely to experience premature graying. Allow the mixture to cool, strain, and apply the oil to your scalp and hair. Leave it on for at least 30 before washing. Third one, Raj and Fenugreek Pack mix. Raj and fenugreek powder with water or yogurt. Raj condition the hair. It could contribute to maintaining the existing color and solving down the progressing of premature graying. Fenugreek stimulate melanin production, the pigment responsible for hair color. Fenugreek potentially preventing premature graying. Apply the paste to your hair and scalp, leaving it on for 1-2 hours before rinsing. Before trying any new hair pack, it's advisable to perform patch test to ensure you don't have any adverse reactions. Subscribe and let me know in the comments that you're part of the natural routine. I'll be giving shoutouts to some of you in the next video. Thank you for watching.